I think this has got to do, of course, on the back of the safeguard duty announcement. Let me just pull that up for you. The government's announced the implementation of an anti-dumping duty on imports of non-alloy and alloy steel flat products for a period of 3 years, starting April 21st, 2025. JSW Steel moving up on the back of that, SAIL, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, all up on the back of this in particular. The duty is applicable to hot rolled coils, sheets, plates, hot rolled plate, mill plates. So that's really why you're seeing the reaction coming in across the board on these stocks and a whole host of other products. It'll stand at 12% when imports are made during the April to April period and fall to 11.5% from April 21st, 26 to April 20th of 2027, and then to 11% for the year after. Now, the duty was proposed in August and was subject to approval from the FinMin, and the 200-day period ended on the 6th of November. And the official notification stated that the duty excludes imports from certain developing countries, although imports from China, Vietnam, Nepal will remain subject to the levy. Stainless steel is also excluded from the duty. So we've got like a Nalco and Hindustan Copper, Hindustan Zinc sitting out, but the steel majors are having a great morning. Sharad, let me understand the implications from you as well.
Yeah, I think the steel industry has been crying about these duties being implemented to protect and safeguard their interest from the import flux that we were seeing. So I think it's positive. HRC etc. should be positive for Tata Steel and JSW Steel as well. In terms of valuation, I think Jindal Steel is something that we are looking at. The type of growth we are expecting over the next 2 years. This should outshine the rest of the pack. So there we are looking at targets of somewhere around 1300, 1400. So within these all 3-4 ideas that counters that should benefit from this, I think Jindal Steel is one bet that suits the bill in terms of benefit from this changes also, and also in terms of the type of growth and the valuation comfort. So I think the maximum upside we see is on Jindal Steel from current levels.
In fact, Jindal Steel, JSW Steel has been down about 5% this month. Tata Steel has gone up about 4%. Both JSW and Tata Steel have risen about 23 and 27% so far this year. And we are hearing from experts that demand is expected to rise between 8 to 10% now going forward, especially with those prices protected. Shell, let me bring you in as well in terms of some of the steel majors and the kind of reaction we're seeing this morning.
Well, Abha, one of the most important stocks in this space is Jindal Steel and Power. That should be taken into account. Very, very strong chart there. As also PSU, Steel Authority of India. A very, very sharp breakout happening on Steel Authority after many months. These are two stocks that I have in mind as far as the strength is concerned intraday. But broader markets looking good. Strong advance decline ratio, 1500 shares versus 700 which are in the red. So it's an easy 2:1. As we had pointed out, banks doing very well. Defense counters doing very well. This is the pre-budget rally that is taking root in the market. We have a fresh expiry on the last day of the month, and of course the chance to reset NAVs for not only December, for 2025. So a nice gap up, and let's hope this is a strong trend day and Santa, who's been missing for so long, should be back on Dalal Street.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.